Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Roborock S8 Max Ultra, the robot vacuum and mop that takes smart cleaning to the next level. With advanced suction power, precision mapping, and a fully automated base station, this device does more than just clean, it redefines effortless living. If you're looking for a cleaner home without lifting a finger, stay tuned as we dive into everything this robot can do. Advanced FlexiArm Design. Roborock's FlexiArm extends the side brush to reach concave corners with 100% coverage and hard-to-reach spaces under furniture. Coupled with the Extra Edge Mopping System, it achieves precise edge cleaning with a cleaning precision of less than 1.68 mm. Upgraded All-in-One RockDock Ultra. The RockDock Ultra revolutionizes cleaning with automatic hot water mop washing, up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, that effortlessly dissolves stubborn stains from the mop. Its intelligent dirt detection ensures optimal mop washing time, and returns to heavily soiled areas for thorough cleanliness. Enjoy a fresh environment with automatic hot air drying, which prevents unpleasant odors. Unmatched Cleaning Performance. With unparalleled 8,000 Pascal suction, unleash the formidable cleaning power of the S8 Max Ultra to achieve spotless perfection in your home. The upgraded mop features dual vibration modules that can easily manage dust, dirt, and dry stains through high-speed scrubbing at 4,000 times per minute. Smart navigation and obstacle avoidance. Experience intelligent cleaning with the S8 Max Ultra's reactive 3D obstacle avoidance and precise sense LiDAR technology. Detecting and skillfully bypassing objects with its 3D structured light technology, the robot vacuum creates detailed maps for precise navigation thanks to its precise sense LiDAR navigation system. Efficient carpet care. With 20 mm auto mop module lifting, the S8 Max Ultra lifts the mop automatically while cleaning carpets, preventing unwanted dampness. And take advantage of the Roborock app to access a range of carpet cleaning options. Choose from vacuuming carpets first, deep carpet cleaning, or activating carpet boost mode to tailor your cleaning experience to suit your specific preferences. The Roborock S8 Max Ultra isn't just another robot vacuum, it's your all-in-one cleaning assistant, designed to vacuum, mop, wash, and even dry itself. With cutting-edge features and hands-free convenience, this is the kind of smart upgrade your home deserves. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.